me, son. You know what I mean? So you let him go ahead. Now he in Trinidad. Wait, you gonna talk tough on a blog from Trinidad?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Come on, man.
I think that's good for him, you know what I'm saying? He goes to his chance, you know what I mean?
Yeah, now he all the way over there.
He's gonna have a castle right there.
He had a deal. Listen, check this out. He had a deal. We had a deal, right? We had did something. And I wanted to look out for him. So I had set up in a company, a portion of a company I was giving him, right? Now check this out. This is a gift. A portion of the company I was giving him turned out to be worth, what, $1.3 million? And he started to act funny and shit. I started seeing him acting crazy and stuff like that. Like, start giving niggas directions. Yo, son said do this. Niggas is shooting shit up that I don't even know. I didn't even tell these niggas to go do that shit. And they think I told them to do it because he went and told them some bullshit. So I tell him, go to the lawyer's office. You sign the papers. He got $10,000 for you. Take the $10,000. That's that. He went, he did it. So he gave back a whole 1.29 in order to take $10,000. And this is because he didn't understand what the fuck was going on. And that's why it hurt so bad. Now he's confused now. But it's still...
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Now, this is the part 3 of the BANDI LOUIE ranking crime and KAMAG5 thing. But I want to talk about a little pum pum. My name Bang Smurf. When you see the video of my play at the beginning, and that is 50 cents talking about Bang Smurf. Apparently him and 50 cents them grew up on the same block in Queens, and him used to be in a G unit. So 50 cents when him boss, him actually go back for the youth them. Now 50 Cent said him set up a company, and that company was Vitamin Water. And Bang Smurf him says start act crazy and do some funny things. Like, I guess he want to take over the man business. And 50 Cent tell him, listen, go down to the office and make them write you a $10,000 check. Work for hire. And I that the man go do. Instead of him should have tell 50 cents, no. Me a chill, my bad. 50 cents him give up 1.3 million. Actually, it's 1.29. And once it's over 5, you just round it off to the nearest 10. Mathematics. $1.3 million that you can give up for $10. You see what I'm saying? For $10,000, sorry. So, right after app, I know say that youth here, how you call a genius. He's gifted in the fully dance arena. Now, the big time producer come on Trinidad with LOUIE ranking, crime, and I guess them have a local media production who do the filming and stuff like that. Now, word on the street, can me know people who know them. The producer tell them, say, Bang Smurf, not them. Well, all of them. But Bang Smurf, the producer fund the movie. And let them know, say, this is a a precursor to the full-length movie that's coming out. This is a web series, and him a go fund the project, and then when the movie drop, that's when them a go make some money. Now everybody agreed to it and sign. When the producer ready to leave, Bang Smurf come to the man, and I tell the man say him want money. Start spread the man name, the producer name. I'm not lie, I don't really know the producer, but from when me see online and certain places, that youth here is a real youth. The man is about him money and business, but him is also about people. You can see it in his video. He's not self-serving. And Bang Smurf flip on the man, just like how him flip on 50 cents. Him now go learn. Now, here through the grapevine say, him used to run with BANDI and Tyson. Me also hear through the grapevine say, nobody really likes him. That's why I was a little bit puzzled by the interview where him do on the 6th. I didn't watch all of it, but he made himself look like he was well liked and he's a nice guy. And the 6th, I didn't watch the interview, but I'm quite sure they wouldn't ask him the questions that I would ask, because I would be like, why would you give up a part of a company in the long term for $10,000? Which I already know the answer, because this guy, he has no vision, he's self-serving, and it's about himself. Now, let me tell you something else this dummy did. He's from 50 Cent's camp, and he started linking Rick Ross. He tattooed Rick Ross, I heard, on his face, Maybach Music, and knowing that 50 Cent was beefing with Rick Ross at the time over a female or whatever they were doing, but Rick Ross and 50 Cent were beefing, and this guy went and support Rick Ross by even tattooing. And now I am no doctor, but if you put a tattoo in your face, you're branded for life unless you pay thousands and thousands of dollars to have laser, and even then it don't work on certain people's skin. So there is not a technology out there right now that's easy access to clear that off your skin. Why would this guy do something like that? That goes to show his character. One thing we do as black people, we always give people benefits of the doubt, and sometimes that is our biggest downfall. Cause I know I've done it. Now, let me explain it like this. You see, if I go to prison and every time I go to prison, I break out of jail, the next time I get caught, whether it's a misdemeanor or anything, and I go up in front of a judge, do you think the judge is gonna give me bail? No. So the prison system and the system, I shouldn't say the prison system, the system in certain places, they go by what you have done, and that is called facts. They don't go by feelings. Oh yeah man, him cool, let me give Bang Smurf the benefit of the doubt. the system doesn't work like that. And that's what we do. And a lot of people do it with this guy. Now, this guy did something very... him do a big pussy hole thing. After, I just have shown certain things where him do, you know. And then when I make on a decision, me, I don't like him. And when I say I don't like him, that doesn't mean I hate him and I want man them to go kill him or hurt him, no. I just don't like what he stands for. And hopefully him can come in, look into himself and do a 360. Now, he was in the movie and him harass the producer, the millionaire producer. It's like Smurf is heartless. But anyways, the producer decides to listen. He's gonna come back to Trinidad because he had to rewrite the script. Because you know, crime, him get killed with BANDI and then BANDI did in the thing. This is where somebody on the ground, you know, that knows them, you know, tell me. So at the end of the day, the producer come back, getting clips, you know, making links, doing what he's supposed to do for the movie. And the producer got a call that 3 man I try set him up. Cause the producer boy, Kama, the man iced out a platinum them money I wear. I don't mean for boy him up, but you know, I just slang. The man I wear platinum and diamond. You know what I'm saying? And the man plan for rob him. A little man here and did it. And I said, no man, I eat that thing that. And the man tell about the producer. And the producer address it. Now, the man them with there try rob the producer. And the boy where Indian boy in the picture right here, so. Dole. I call him Wasteman Dole. Youngster Mali. A blood clean, another deported rapper. Which me I call him Gangster Dolly. And bang him Smurf. Now, straight up, me not like him name, bang him Smurf. It sound kinda bang him. Like fuck him. Like a battle that would be. It sound gayish, me not lie. Them 3 man there was planning to rob the producer. Now, I want to show you something. After the producer, here we are going and address the 2 other little waste man. You know, banging Surf, him see the producer. And I tell the producer, I say, boy, I couldn't rob you, you know. Me hear the man them a talk about it and thing, and me have to tell them no, like he wasn't a part of it. And really and truly, he was a part of it. Now, he might act like he rich and have money and them thing there, but I don't think anything going on for this dude. I hear say him live with some rich girl, our family have money. So, that's who he's hanging out with right now. But the little thing we have with Maybach Records didn't come true. And he burned the bridges with 50 cents. Even though 50 cents say he must still friend with him and them thing there. But 50 cents said that brother there not think right and 50 cents no on stay. So with that said, me did have to get this out because it's been bugging me for a long time, so I have to do this video. Now, after this is apartheid too, but it now have nothing to do with that youth ya Smurf. The producer went through certain things because remember now, crime dead, and Smurf know that, everybody know that his body was in the morgue, swelling up. So the producer have to kick out thousands and thousands of dollars. Ship the man body to Jamaica so his mother can get to bury him. After that, the producer live in a North American city, and because of what happened in Trinidad and it went viral, them raid the man house, take away the film for do the man movie and them series, take away $250,000 from the man, hold on upon him computer everything, and was trying to link that with some other bullshit. Anyways, 2 years later, him end up beat whatever them had going on, beat the case. There was really no case. Him get back his money and he's back on. So what I am going to do, I am going to play this movie series. It's called You Ain't No Killer. Here we call now, You Ain't No Killer. The first series, cause him have a series of this movie that him did with LOUIE, RANKIN and all of them. And I'm gonna play the first episode on this station probably in the next 2 days. You guys just have to stay tuned. And then when you want to watch the second episode, you go to the producer channel and watch it from there. And then the third episode is gonna be on Jamaica first. So that's how we're gonna alternate it. So I want you to stay tuned for this. Listen, I'm gonna give you guys a little clip of the movie so you can see what's going on. And my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys a clip of the movie, which we're gonna call it a web series. And like I said, it's going to be on this channel in the next couple of days. The first episode, second one to the producer. And stay tuned and watch this. And let me know what you guys think about this video about Bang M Smurf. It's very important. Watch this clip.
Get him, Will. Get him. Come on. Get him. Then a nigga go right there, that way, that way. You ain't no motherfucking killer, nigga.